So no wonder why it's cool, I'm the dude that they hating on. And I ain't gon' stop till the day that I drop, so you haters might be waiting long. So tell me what they gon' do with me, when I am that dude you could be, but homie you can't, and haters.
Hello, let's see what we get today. We have Shadow Specters and an Estrad, and it is going to be Shadow Specters. That means tomorrow we get to open this tomorrow. Yugioh Ibis, Battling Boxer Rabbit Puncher, Vampire Grace, Soul Drain Dragon, Swarm of Crows, Vampire Takeover, Battling Boxer Rib Gardener, Magicalized Dustin Mop, Ghost Trick Yugioh Una. So we have a. Alright, thank you.
Don't give a fuck. Other days I feel like $1 million. I just can't keep doing this, cause it's the same shit. I spill my heart with this pen and no one even listens. Baggy pants, new kicks, and a fresh tee. If you wanna criticize, then criticize me, cause I ain't in it just to get a name or for the fame. I'm in it cause this is what I love to do. You haters look like you ate a grapefruit. I guess it's time to ride solo cause it's my thing. I keep a time with me, you bitches spare change. I ain't even left yet before spring. This is so much more.